Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob with the Campbell Chronicles and thanks for joining us today. If you're new to this channel, here we talk about all things family, travel, and Disney. So if any of those are of value to you, definitely consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of our future content to come. Today guys, we're going to talk a little bit more about the cruising lifestyle, the Disney cruise line, more specifically about the Marvel Day at Sea cruise. One of the questions I get a lot from people that I talk to about cruising, and anytime I mention, oh yeah, we did a Marvel Day at Sea cruise, I just get the common question, what is it? What is the Marvel Day at Sea cruise? So today we're going to be doing a little review on that subject. Now back in March of 2019, my wife and I were actually able to go on a Marvel Day at Sea cruise. We went on a 10-year anniversary cruise, just us, just adults. I know, it's totally worth it as an adult, absolutely 100% worth going on the Disney Cruise Line, just the two of us. But we were able actually to go on that Marvel Day at Sea cruise. It just so happened to line up. It's not something that we were seeking for, but it lined up with what our schedules were and what time we could get off. But let me say this, I'm glad we did. When we went on this cruise, we were, years and years into the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I was kind of getting burnt out on Marvel. It's like, goodness, another superhero movie? I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So when we went on this cruise, I wasn't overly enthusiastic about it, but it changed. It's what the Marvel Day at Sea cruise is. It's basically a whole day devoted to Marvel. Now, with Disney, everything has a story. The story goes, as you are on this day at sea, Tony Stark is having a Stark EXPO on your ship. And it's a wonderful thing to experience. You just happen to be there at the right place at the right time, and all these Marvel superheroes are here to join you and celebrate the Stark EXPO, and it's wonderful, but you do run into some trouble. You have Red Skull and Loki and a couple others that try to take over the ship, and it's not working out well for them, I'll tell you that right now. So what is it though? Alright, so you have the story. Now, when Marvel Day starts, all the Disney music goes away. And you have Marvel music playing on the speakers. So you don't get that typical Disney feel anymore, which is not a bad thing. Mickey and his friends are going to be in Marvel getup and they're going to look fabulous. It's awesome. Really, really is. And so then you move on to, there's going to be different meet and greets throughout the day. We try to make it a point to go see everybody. We weren't able to, but this also happened to fall on our anniversary date, which is totally fine. We just made it a point to set aside some specific time. We were actually able to eat at Palo and enjoy a wonderful brunch there. But then after that, we went out and we just started meeting as many characters as we can, having as much fun as we can, and it was wonderful. It really was wonderful. We were able to meet characters in the halls, and my favorite part about it is a lot of those characters were acting like they were just another member of the cruise ship, just walking around, and you would stop them and you'd talk to them. My favorite thing to do when I meet a character is role play. Just have fun. They're not there to make you feel stupid or silly or whatever. They're there to help you have a good time, and so if you let go, you become a kid again, that's gonna happen, and it's great. These guys do a wonderful job of the role play. With dinner and everything they have going on there, they have a specific Marvel Day at Sea cruise menu. It doesn't matter what rotation you're on. As far as the restaurant you're at that night, it's going to be the Marvel themed menu. So it's just really, really good. And of course, at the end of the night, they have a wonderful show. Now, it's a show on the deck, and based on current conditions with wind and whatnot, things might change slightly. We seem to get the full show. It was really good. They had a fireworks show at the end. They had the zip line with Captain Marvel running down. It was a good show. I really enjoyed it. There's also tickets that you could grab. They were included in your cost of the cruise, but you had to get reservations, if you will, to go see some of the special characters like Groot. You had to get some to see Spider-Man, Black Panther, and Iron Man. When we went on this cruise, they were releasing Captain Marvel in theaters while we were gone, and they let us watch it a day early. We were very excited about that. That was something really cool. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I could go on and on about how cool this was, but again, my highlight for this day was meeting all those characters and being able to role play with them and being able to have a fun time. If you want to see more of our adventure there, head up to the link here, or I'll put a link down in the description below. They'll take you to that Marvel Day at Sea cruise. We just had a blast. It was so fun. It was a wonderful time. It's something I would definitely do again, and after going on this cruise, it definitely reinvigorated our desire to see more Marvel movies, which was good because Endgame came out and we loved that movie, and it's just good. So yeah, we're Marvel fans now. And that's just because of the Marvel Day at Sea cruise. Not just because, but it definitely helped. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Is the Marvel Day at Sea cruise something you want to do? You skip it entirely? Let us know. I'd love to hear from the community. Thanks again for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure. And remember, adventure is out there.